Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Venmo account. First, you will need to download the free Venmo app from your smartphone's app store. Once installed, open the app and choose to create an account using your email address, phone number, or Facebook profile. Remember to select a strong, unique password for security and accept the terms of service to proceed. This initial step takes just a few moments. Next, you will need to link a payment method to your Venmo account. You can easily add a bank account by providing your bank's routing and account numbers. Venmo will send 2 small deposits, typically less than 10 cents each, to verify your bank. Alternatively, you can link a debit card by simply entering its 16-digit number, expiration date, and security code. This step is crucial for sending and receiving money. To fully utilize Venmo, you will need to verify your identity. This usually involves providing your legal name, date of birth, and sometimes the last 4 digits of your social security number. This helps ensure security and compliance. Once verified, you can add money to your Venmo balance directly from your linked bank account, making it ready for transactions. This process typically takes a few minutes to complete. Now that your account is set up, you can easily send and receive money. To send, simply tap the Pay or Request button, search for your friend's username or phone number, enter the amount, and add a note. To request money, follow a similar process. Remember, you can customize the privacy settings for each transaction, choosing between public, friends only, or private. Enjoy the convenience of Venmo.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.